your videos.
Good morning from Animal Kingdom. Oh, look, we can go over here. There we go. Jump. You're going to jump out, Lex? Good morning.
Oh, you hold it.
Right,
Are you in your video?
yes, I am. Hi, Sarah.
Hi. Uh-oh, twist it, twist it.
Mickey to Mickey.
There you go. Awesome, good job.
Oh, I'm going to have to put this guy. You hold the camera, Lexi, because I'm going to need my finger. You video what Mummy's doing.
Are you having a good birthday?
Yes.
You wipe your finger off from your other shirt? Awesome, love it.
There we go. Thank you, bye. Oh, thank you, Lexi. Right, we're going to go down this way. It's like walking into the jungle. Yes. Baloo and King Louie are here today as well, but you met them the other day. We've got some other people to meet today. Pocahontas and Tarzan, and Donald.
We're not friends with him.
Okay.
My dad's so funny. What is he doing, Mummy?
He's trimming the bushes.
Now there's the job that I want.
Where's the tree?
Look, what's up in the tree?
Can you see it? Up in the tree.
Not in the tree, on the rocks. Can you see?
Legs.
Let's zoom in for...
So I get a picture, Legs?
There he is. What do you think it might be on your animal guide, Lexi?
I don't have it.
What is that?
I don't have it. I don't have it. I don't have it.
Oh.
Alligator jar.
I don't have it, Mummy.
I have never seen anything that quite looks like that.
It's an alligator jar.
Oh, wait a second, I do.
You found it?
Yeah, right here.
Lexi has an animal guide.
And it's this. But I don't know what they are.
Show us the animal guide, Lexi. Keep it still. Let's see.
These ones.
The oasis. So it's going to be up here somewhere.
No, it isn't up there.
Okay, it's not. Okay.
Down here.
Lexi, do you want to see a strange fish?
Go on, have a look in the water. Daddy will show you.
Here. Here. Right.
Isn't it gorgeous?
Well, that is so...
You can go see it if you want to, Lexi.
You don't have to, though.
Like this.
You know, I think it's always wise, because if you're a little nervous of it, don't do it.
Would you like to go see closer? No. You go see. There you go.
They're a little nervous, and then when we walk away 2 minutes later, they're like, I want to put
There you go.
Well, there's an area up at Rafiki's Plant Watch where they can see goats and touch them. So they'll have fun with that.
Do you want to get any closer, Lexi?
Yeah, would you
No.
like to touch him?
No, you're just gonna...
He's getting a little restless, so you might move him back. I'm not sure why he's getting restless.
It's time for his break.
Yeah, I think he's tired.
Even the animal stars need a break.
He's getting like me at night.
All right.
But y'all have a good day.
Thank you.
No, come on, I didn't touch it.
Look who's walking towards us. My goodness, it's Doug. You can wave, say good morning. All right. So just here on the right should be there's the entrance in. I don't know, London, very close to where John Smith was.
You know what? I think that we should I have a friend in London who makes chickens and she makes this delicious tea and the best biscuits. Miko's favorite biscuits. She makes these biscuits with the vanilla icing on top. He can eat the whole batch by himself. How about we have some tea with this chicken tea? Okay. I'll invite John Smith, you, and your mother and father and everyone. Sounds like a big time. But until our tea time, do you think that we can get some pictures together?
Okay. Would you like me to take the book for you? Take the book. Thank you. There's one more thing, Pocahontas. Now, I was telling Lexi that there's a very special way you say hello and goodbye, Wingapo.
I speak Algonquian in the Powhatan village, and in my language you say Wingapo is hello, just like the sun greets the land every day. And goodbye you'd say hello.
There you go. See, I told you it's pretty special. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome, and enjoy your birthday celebration.
I will. The button and bark really loud. Okay, I'll do it. All right, here we go.
Do I have to take a bath tonight? I think I am still very clean from my last bath.
And apparently that's what I said in bark. So there you go.
You gonna bark into it?
Press the button and bark.
I have been very good today. Oh yes. Can I have a treat? Please, 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 please.
Hope you get that banana.
Thank you. So if we were going to say in gorilla, happy birthday, how would we do that?
Happy birthday. Gorillas do not remember birthdays. We
Oh.
don't have birthdays when younger.
Oh, okay.
A
That's
very close saying would be,
okay.
yes,
Cool.
congratulations.
Ah, okay. Well, that's good to hear. So should we get some pictures, Lexi? Yeah?
I can hold your book for you while you take a picture.
She's working on
Yeah,
that.
she's like, I'm trying to.
All right, should we have a picture with Tarzan?
I'll see you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi.
Hey guys, come right over. Do you want to meet him? Wait for the
There you go. Okay, thank you. There you go. I'm just videoing.
Okay, look right here.
everybody. So we are on the train, Harambe Express, going to Rafiki's Planet Watch. Who are we going to see, Lexi?
Rafiki, because I can't say him but.
Rafiki.
I can't say it.
Plus we're going to go see what else is up there. So, yeah.
Then the train is going to bring us back.
That's right, then the train is going to bring us back.
And then we're going to have to go home. And go on Everest. And then we're going to went to July because we just went to that.
Hello everyone, welcome aboard the Wildlife Express.
Alright,
For a safe journey, please remember to remain seated, keeping hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train at all times.
It's raining.
Be sure to watch your children. They are permitted to sit on your lap or the bench beside you, but they too must remain fully seated at all times.
So we are at Harambe Station.
Our conductor on our way to Rafiki's Planet Watch. Ashley's our engineer, making sure we arrive safely. Now Rafiki's Planet Watch is home to our working vet hospital, our nutrition and science centers, a few more animal exhibits, as well as character meet and greets with the one and only Rafiki himself and everyone's two favorite chipmunks, Chip and Dale. You'll also find our petting yard known as the affection section, where you can brush some of our animals and really get up close. It's fun for guests of all ages, young and young at heart. And if you're a wilderness explorer, don't forget you can earn 6 of your wilderness explorer.
Oh, you know all about the lion guard, don't you, lad?
I know all of things about the
Now along our journey, we pass the time bags, Nigerians, and the Kilimanjaro Safari, which include the nighttime homes for some of our savanna animals. Each night they're called in using a particular sound that they hear, known as an audio cue. Now when an animal hears their distinct sound, they know it's their turn to come in off the savanna and into their home for additional care and feeding. Now this process can take several hours to complete due to the fact we have hundreds of animals in our care all across the park. These first set of homes belong to the hoofstock, the warthogs, and the
Hey, welcome to Rafiki's Planet Watch. So this is an area more devoted to conservation, what's going on with the rainforests, helping the animals, animal surgery, that kind of thing. So, what do you see, Lexi? Okay.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Lexi, he found a bug. He found a bug on his hair. He was giving it to you. You say thank you.
I got your hat. Oh, you already have your hat. Oh, I would have got one. Someone else's hat.
There we go.
Your hair's all messed up. I couldn't get the tops of the legs off, so I just ended up carrying it. Oh, I see. So the Coca-Cola gets the
Okay, shall I take that for you, Lexi, and then you can have proper pictures? Okay.
Come on, you.
Hi, so.
He's naked.
He's naked? So this is where they have a small Zootopia exhibit. Just looking at some of the artwork and how they researched the animal world. This is over at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. Some of the animation. Wow, that's amazing.
We got Miles and Judy.
Yeah, so they really thought this through. See with the giraffes, and that's where they came up with the idea for the train, the different doors on the train. And then movement here. But we just met Rafiki.
I haven't taken a picture of the elephant.
I love that. The elephant has his eye paw. Isn't that great? His eye paw. So anyway, yeah, this is conservation area. Lexi's just... What's up, Lexi? Where are we going to? You're saying let's go. Where are we going to?
Inside ride.
You want to come pet him too? Just pet him right on his back. Pretty soft, huh?
Hi everyone. So we've been at Animal Kingdom and we have stopped into Art of Animation because I love it here. We needed to eat and I thought why not come here, so I thought I'd share with you what it looks like over here. Lexi's having a funny day today. She's tired. And the design that went into this. So the idea is you come in through the front door and it's the sketching, and then as you move down past the sketching, that's where you go to the ink and paint shop down there where you get the colour, and then outside by the pool areas it comes to life. So that's the concept of the Art of Animation. So that's while kids are waiting to be checked in. Okay. So Lexi's going to do some animating. Wow, Lexi's gonna... What are you gonna draw?
I'm gonna draw you.
You're gonna draw me?
With
Okay.
this one purple.
It's kind of a dark blue, isn't it?
Oh.
I think you just have to pick a colour, Lexi. Love tonight. So the 4 themes for Art of Animation are, in case you hadn't worked it out, we've got Cars, Lion King, Little Mermaid, and Finding Nemo. There you go, mine. And I'll show you the light fitting when we go down that way, because the animators... You're finished! You're drawing... Oh, you're drawing me kisses!
I'm gonna take this tiny.
You take it with you? Yeah, it's your drawing. Okay. What did you do? Oh, you're doing kisses. You're doing your potato people again. And kisses for Mummy. Well, thank you very much. Should we take it with us then?
Maybe when I'm finished.
All right, well, I was going to go look at this light down here, so grab your picture.
But I'm gonna stay here.
You can't stay by yourself. Come on. So right here, this is where your drawings get colour added. So we've gone from the sketching to the ink and paint. So it's the whole process of animation. And up here, we have some, it's really hard to see, but we have the artwork from the animators themselves. So it's pretty cool. Put it back. She's picking up again. So this is where they start to add the colour. So you come through the ink and paint shop, which is what all the jars of colour are about. So these are the characters. And then through there is where they do the backgrounds. Lexi, come on. So this is the store in Art of Animation.
That's where we can eat.
Right, that's where we can eat. And again, it's all themed, so this would be your Lion King. Yeah. Your Lion King theme. And then that's going to be Cars right there. But we'll have a closer look in a minute. But we are going to get something to eat. We're going to get something to eat now. When I go outside to the pool area after we've eaten, I'll show you out there, okay? Bye. just in the Lion King section at Art of Animation. We're just having a walk around. Oh, Lexi saw Scar. Come over this side, Lex. Go on then. Oh, it looks like we're in the elephant graveyard as well. Hyenas. So let's see, Shenzi, Bonsai and Ed, I remembered. There you go. And that one does really actually look like Whoopi Goldberg. So they did a good job. See, Lexi lives in a world with the lion guards, so she thinks it's Janja. Right, so we're in the Little Mermaid section, and Fliss is going to enjoy some of this. This is so clever. So we've got the Dingle Hopper and the Snarfblad. You have to watch the Little Mermaid to kind of get it, but there's her jewels. Treasure. You're getting the treasure?
Yeah! I just want to kill it!
It's a shame it's not real, isn't it?
Ah!
I know. But we'll go see Prince Eric's statue. Wow. Now when I was a little girl and I saw this movie, definitely wanted to find this. Anyway, there's King Triton and obviously Ursula the other side, so they're challenging each other. And then we'll go around to the pool.
Yeah,
We'll go see what a Little Mermaid swimming pool looks like. I'd imagine Sebastian would have to be somewhere. Oh, I see Flounder and Ariel over the other side. And all the pools are gated, so you can't get in if you don't stay here. Yeah, we'll go. But I'll show you what it looks like. Most of them are normally in a shape, but I don't see a specific shape. Maybe it's a seashell, I don't know. Let's have a look. But there's Ariel and Flounder. There you go. Anyway, there's them. And then you've got some great detail around. Flotsam and Jetsam with Ursula. Ah, well, there's Sebastian. If we turn around, Lexi.
Ah!
There's Sebastian.
Me!
I knew he had to be somewhere. There we go. So that is the Little Mermaid section.